we're gonna do the splitting of these peppers. Vamos a separar los pimientos. Same with these tomatoes. Lo mismo con estos tomates. And we're also gonna do a transplanting of this, this clone that came from that plant. Este es el clone que vino de esa planta, so we need to transplant it. So I'm probably gonna do this all hydroponic. Probablemente van a ser todo hidropónico. Just because I don't have a lot of dirt right now. Solamente porque no tengo mucho suelo. We're gonna use different pots here. I need 5 nets. Excelente. Excelente. So we're just gonna MacGyver these 3. Desde acá tenemos que hacerle stitches. Do the hole on these 3. Yeah. Vamos a hacer este hoyo. So good. Yeah, that's good. A little bit too big, but it's still not falling, so it's good. The bottle is gonna be a little bit more complicated because we need to have, so the hole's gonna have to be almost there. Yeah, let's see. Something like that. Yep, that's good. And this one is gonna be the same, I guess. We're gonna do it a little bit bigger, un poquitito más grande. Yeah, that's fair enough. We need rock wool. Lana de roca, again, 5 pieces. Right there. We're gonna start by the clone. Vamos a empezar con el clon. Go there. That's good. It's good enough. We're gonna work with the tomatoes. Cut them right here. Yeah. 2 individuals. 2 individuos. That's it. That's enough fruit. Now, another one. Okay. Okay, we're gonna fix this right away. Vamos a arreglar eso al tiro. Something like that. Good enough for me. The 2 pepper plants. Ahora las 2 plantitas de pimiento o morrón. Actually, I'm gonna change containers. Big one over here. Yeah, big. Okay, I got 1 root, but the rest will find their way. El resto de las raíces va a encontrar su camino. Okay, that's good. The last one. Now we just need to add nutrients. Same with the other pepper. Yeah, so I'm running out of battery. Se me está acabando la batería, but I'm just gonna fill all of these with nutrients, and I just wanted to show you how I did the pots and how I transplanted the plants. Ya quería mostrarles cómo trasplanté las plantas y ahora tengo que añadirle nutrientes. So you don't need to see that. Plus, my battery is gonna die. Se agarró mi batería. So thank you for watching. Nos vemos y chao.